Welcome back to Initial Speed. Again, I'm Phil. Today, we get that final tune on the Audi. Excited? Oh yeah. Alright, let's get moving. First off, I'd like to give a shout out to my beautiful wife for getting me a car cover. I've wanted one for a little while, and I threw it on last night, and thank goodness thank God, because it rained, and I would hate for the car to not look good while it's on the dyno. Alright, let's get this car cover off and get moving. Alright, so where I've got to go to is about an hour away, so I'm leaving myself about an hour and a half, hour 45 minutes to get there on time. So let's get on the road and get there. I don't know, what do you guys think of the 340 series? Traffic. I don't know if you can tell, but I'm excited. So my history is I've worked on cars for a long time, but it's OEM kind of stuff and the odd modification. This car is all modifications, right? So it's the first time I've had a car on the dyno. So if I seem a little crazy, I am. No, but for real. Just really excited, really excited. Alright. Corona, get blown up. Yeah. Thanks, CU Productions. That track is ill. For those that haven't checked it out yet, check out CU Productions. Got some good songs. And we made it. A little late because of traffic, but we made it. Alright, let's get inside. Somehow I had, I guess, adjusted it down, the duty cycle down to 11, so we were only hitting 15 pounds of boost. So it was crazy before. What are we gonna do now? Oh man. Should we go for 24, 25 foot-pounds? 30? 32? Bad news?
I don't know, it's still not boosting the way it should.
Nope. Okay.
Like it's still boosting similar to the way it was before when we tested it with the exhaust.
Huh. That doesn't make any sense. That doesn't make any sense. problem. It is not boosting where it's supposed to be. So we're in the diagnostic stage trying to figure it out. Man, just run right. Come on, baby, just run right. Anyhow, let's get back and see if I can help figure out what the problem is. top end for some reason is still not there. I'm wondering if maybe the muffler is being restrictive. Turned up the gain, turned up the duty cycle. Any suggestions? Because all I'm thinking right now is wastegate spring to kind of force it, or a valve muffler to allow it to breathe better but still be quiet in the neighborhood. I don't know, at a loss. Still excited, just not as. Wastegate spring changed. Changed the wastegate spring. Made a little bit more power, but not what it's supposed to be making. ATW engine. Oh well. Let's go brainstorm. So it kind of seems like the exhaust is still choking it off. We're not, when we disconnect the exhaust at the downpipe, we gain a lot more power. So maybe the muffler is just a restrictive muffler? And it was a hot day, so maybe we'll try, well, we will try another day. The question is, do I need a whole new exhaust, or do I just need the muffler changed? Anyway, I'm out.